Imagine standing on the deck of a ship, salty breeze in your hair, the sun setting over the ocean horizon, and tomorrow promising a new destination to explore. For many, this is the epitome of travel freedom. But is a cruise vacation truly the right fit for your travel style and expectations? The answer depends on what kind of experience you're seeking. Cruise vacations offer a unique blend of relaxation, adventure, and cultural immersion, all from the comfort of a floating resort. With luxurious amenities, all-inclusive dining, entertainment galore, and the ability to visit multiple destinations in one trip, cruising has become a popular option for travelers of all ages. Yet, like any travel choice, it comes with its own set of pros and cons that are worth considering before you set sail. Among the most compelling advantages is convenience. Cruises simplify travel logistics, especially for those new to international travel. You unpack once, yet explore several ports across countries or continents. The variety of onboard activities caters to every interest: spa treatments, gourmet dining, theatrical shows, kids clubs, and more, making it ideal for families or groups with diverse preferences. However, cruising isn't without drawbacks. Your time at each destination is often limited, meaning you get a taste rather than a deep dive into the culture. Excursions can be expensive and sometimes crowded. And although modern ships are designed for stability, those prone to seasickness might find the movement challenging. Environmental concerns are also an important factor. Cruises, particularly older vessels, can have a significant ecological footprint. The industry is evolving, with many lines investing in cleaner technologies and sustainable practices, but it's essential for travelers to research and choose lines that prioritize eco-responsibility. If you value freedom of movement, flexible schedules, or immersive local experiences, independent travel might suit you better. But if you're seeking a hassle-free, all-in-one vacation with a touch of luxury and variety, a cruise could be just what you need. Before booking, consider what you want from your vacation. Are you chasing cultural richness, ultimate relaxation, or family-friendly fun? Research cruise lines, compare itineraries, and read recent traveler reviews to make an informed choice. As cruise travel continues to evolve and expand, more options are emerging to fit every lifestyle and budget. Maybe the only thing left to ask is, what kind of voyage do you want your next adventure to be?